Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're in a hidden area in Arvada, Colorado that not many people know about, pretty much just the locals, and even some of them don't know about it. It's a little area called Two Ponds. It's absolutely beautiful little nature preserve just tucked right back off of 80th, right next to the Club Crest neighborhood. Like I said, it's not very popular, not many people know about it, but once you see it, you're gonna wonder why. This place is insane. Let's go check it out. Like I said, this place is awesome, so let's go ahead and check it out. If you guys have any questions, all my contact info is below. If you're looking to move to Arvada or even just visit Arvada, I am your all go-to guide for everything Arvada. Don't hesitate to look me up. I got your back. Let's go ahead and check this out. I told you guys that was awesome, man. This place is one of my favorite places in Arvada. And once again, I am your go-to guy for everything Arvada. So if you're looking to visit, move here, or anything like that, all my contact info is below. Give me a call. I'll make sure your stay here in Arvada is awesome. Right on. Have a great day, guys.